Hi, this is Mrs. Williams. We're going to go over two math problems. Hopefully you have done this past Tuesday. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is read the question. Valgina is making chocolate milkshakes for your birthday party. There will be 17 people at the party. It takes a third of a cup of milk to make one chocolate milkshake. How many cups of milk will it take to make 17 milkshakes? Okay, the first thing that what we're going to do is definitely you're going to take notes in your composition notebook. So we're going to make what they call a KWL chart. So what do we know? What do we want to know? Have we learned? Okay. All right, so what do we know about this? Well, it's nice that we know we're making milkshakes, but that's not really important information. There will be 17 people at the party. So 17 people, that's something that we do know. Okay, it takes a third of a cup of milk to make one milkshake. So we're going to say 1/3 cup of milk and that will equal to 1 milkshake. Okay, and what do we need to know? Well, we need to know what? We need to know how many cups of milk will to make 17 milkshakes. So this is what we want to know right here. So how many cups of milk it will take to make 17 milkshakes. Okay, and the last step is what we have learned. Okay, so I'm going to just pull this up a little bit more here. Okay, so you can see it better. Okay, when we're talking about any kind of fraction like 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, okay, we're talking about this. Let's go ahead and draw a rectangle, and we're going to divide it by thirds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, we need to know how many cups of milk for 17 people. So we're just going to do this kind of a visual way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to draw another one, another rectangle, and we're going to divide it by thirds. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Again, we're trying to find 17 people, right? 13, 14, 15. We're all here. 16, 17. Do we put anything in this box? Nope, because we're looking for what? 17 milkshakes. 17. So I'm just going to go like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to count up how many rectangles, the full rectangles that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And then we have 2/3. Because did we put anything in here? Nope. So we only have 2 boxes out of the 3. So it's going to be 2/3. So now we're going to answer this in a sentence. Okay. It will take 5 2/3 cups of milk to make 17 milkshakes. All right, we got question number 1 done. So let's go on to question number 2. Okay, it says Jordan likes to ice skate better than roller skating. She said she can go faster on ice skates. If it takes 84 seconds to skate around an ice rink that is 1/4 of a mile round, how long will it take her to skate 5 miles? Round your answer to the nearest minute. Okay, so again, we're going to start with this. What do we know? What do we want to know? And what have we learned? KWL. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the first sentence. Jordan likes to ice skate better than roller skating. Okay, that's nice, but it's not important information. She said she will go faster on ice skates. That's great, but it's not important information. If it takes her 84 seconds to skate around the ice rink that is 1/4 of a mile, how long will it take her to go 5 miles? Okay, so we know 84 seconds equals 1/4 of a mile. What we want to know is how long will it take for her to skate 5 miles. Okay. There are a lot of different ways we can solve this problem, but let's try to do this first like this. Okay, so this is 1/4 of a mile.
Pardon us.